Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep game running in the background Android. So first thing that you want to do is you need to swipe down to open up the drop down menu. You will then select the gears icon there in the top right. And now what you need to do is you need to scroll all the way down and then select battery and device care. Then again, you are going to select battery. Now look for something which says background usage limits. You will then select never auto sleeping apps. Now what you need to do is go to the top right corner and select the plus icon. And now you just need to select the game that you want running in the background. But in this case, I'm going to use an app for an example. So I'll use ChatGPT and then I'm going to select add. And one thing to keep in mind is that when you add apps to your never auto sleeping app section, this could potentially drain your phone's battery life, so make sure that you only choose the essential apps that you actually need. And there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching.